Ah, oh, look at this. Lovely. 1, 2, 3.
Guten Yardening, everybody! A big part of what we've tried to accomplish on this channel is not just providing ourselves with as much food as possible as we move toward food freedom, but also hopefully providing a look at some of the techniques that we use, maybe inspiring you to try some of those methods, maybe inspiring you to transform some of what was normally not used for a growing space for food into that type of space. And today we want to introduce a new video concept that we hope becomes a bigger part of this channel. We want to encourage those of you who are attempting some of the methods that we've tried, who've seen some success, or who have grown for the first time in containers, or some of the other methods that we look at here with our Ruth style, with our main garden. We'd love for you to send us clips of you either growing, planting, harvesting, demonstrating some of the techniques that we've shown on this channel over the past few months. We think it'd be really inspiring to us to see that from you. Today we're going to show you the first video along these lines so you see what we mean, and we would love to get even more from our community. Let's take a look.
Good afternoon. My name is Twila. I live in Zone 6B. For the first time, I am growing potatoes in a container. I bought a small bag of organic red potatoes, and I planted them here, and I was anxious to see if I could get a yield. Today is the day when I will find out how successful I have been. Put some rocks in the bottom for drainage. Oh, there's one. Oh, it's lovely. Oh, this is so exciting. I've been waiting for this day. I waited as long as I could. Don't have a lot of patience when it comes to doing something for the first time. There's a small one. Wow. Oh, there's a baby one. I think I could have waited a bit, but you know, next year maybe I will have grown a little bit of patience. There's the seed potato, I do believe. Oh, look at this. Lovely. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, some little ones growing here. Oh, a little tiny one, but those will be good as well. Looks like I have some really good dirt here. There's another seed potato. I should have waited. Look how small these are, but they're going to be delicious. Let's see if there are any more. There's another one. A couple more small ones. Well, that looks like the end of my harvest, but not too bad actually. They're small, but very rewarding for me, having been my first crop of red potatoes ever.
I don't want to oversay that any harvest is a good harvest, but when we're talking about fresh, organic food, and really the first time growing in containers, this harvest is one that I wouldn't be disappointed with even a little bit. Those potatoes look fantastic, and I know, because looks are certainly not everything when it comes to food, they're going to taste absolutely delicious. If you have watched one of our videos and been inspired to try out these methods, or if you've just had some amazing success you'd like to share with us and would be okay with us presenting it and featuring it on our channel as a part of this work of growing this global community of gardeners and yardners, please reach out to us at the email that's listed on the screen. We look forward to hearing from you. This is part of the excitement that comes in seeing people from all over the world who are growing, who are making the world a better place, and certainly providing better quality food for their families. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like. Let us know how things are going by leaving us a comment. Don't forget to share and subscribe and take part in this journey with us. And remember, when you're with us, you are good to grow.